Namaste friends, I am Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. This day I am here with pattern 8 that I have used in my blanket. This is mustard color and its color code is 1823. This is worked with Hobby Store Special DK yarn manufactured by Magic Needles. Your blanket has got 302 DCs. So 42 into 7 is 294 and you will be left with 8 DCs. So you need to work 4 DCs on either side and start of the pattern. And for sample swatch, I have 34 stitches. So 4 into 4 cross 7 is 28 stitches and 6 are left. So on either side I am going to work 3 DCs. Here is my 34 DC foundation stitches. So turn your work, pull up to the height of a DC, make a standing twisted DC as the very first one, and then one more DC in the next one, one more in the next one. So 3 DCs completed. We have 6 extra stitches here in multiples of 7, and then we skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and in the next we place 2 DC, chain 1, 3 DC, chain 1, 3 DC, chain 1, 2 DC. This DC cluster we are going to place at a gap of every 6 stitches. We are going to skip 6, place 2 DC, chain 1, 3 DC, chain 1, 2 DC in the 7th one. Continue till the end. I will meet you at the end. I will make one more and show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the 7th one I am going to make 2 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. So we are working by skipping 6 stitches. So this is a 7th stitch. We are having 7 stitches as the shell. Continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end. We have come to the end. We have placed the last set of shells here and we are left with 6 stitches or 6 DCs here. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3. We skipped 3 in the beginning, 3 we are skipping 3 in the end, and place 1 DC each on the next 3 DCs, the last 3 DCs. That completes our first row. First row we are having 34 DCs in all. Turn your work. Place 1 DC each on each of the 3 DCs starting from the very first one. Pattern begins after the 3rd DC here. These 3 DCs will continue for my swatch. For your blanket, 4 DCs on either side and then the pattern begins. Now in chain 1 space make 2 DC, chain 2, 2 double crochets, all in the same chain 1 space. Now chain 2, skip the next 3 DCs and in the next chain 1 space work 2 DC, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. So you are going to work 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet under chain 1 spaces separated by 2 chains over the 3 DCs. So I'll make one more in the next 2 double crochets under chain 1 space, chain 1, 2 more double crochets here, chain of 2, two double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and the next chain 1 space. Continue till the end. I shall meet you at the end here. I have come to the end of the row. Place 1 DC each on the last 3 DCs. Turn your work. Place 3 DCs on each of the 3 DCs starting from the first one. Now in the middle chain 2 space, that is, you're not working any stitches between these 2 DC sets and these 2 DC sets and these 2 DC sets, only in the middle 2 chains 2 space. That is, you skip 2 DC, chain 2 DC, and the next chain 2 space work 2 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, that is, you're going to place 2 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet in the middle of middle 2 chain space. So you're not working in this set or in this set, that is 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. You're going to skip all these 4, and then in the next chain 2 space, that is in the middlemost chain 2 space of the next set, you're going to place 2 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. This row is similar to row 1, only thing is you are going to work under the middlemost chain 2 space separated by 2 sets of 2 DC V stitches. I will meet you at the end. I have come to the end of this row. Place 1 DC each on the last 3 DCs. In your blanket, you are going to place 1 DC each on the last 4 DCs. This completes my 1 pattern repeat. So for pattern repeat, repeat patterns 2 and 3. If you are working on other patterns, for the blanket I am ending with this. In the next row I am going to make all DCs, 1 DC each on each of the DCs. That is going to give you 302 DCs straight away, because we are having 7 DCs in the chain 2. So 42 multiplied by 7 plus the 8 DCs, 4 each on either side, it's going to give you 302 DCs. So this completes, and this is how this pattern looks. This is reversible pattern. On both the sides it looks good. Because we are working from left to right and right to left. So this looks beautiful on both the ends. Thank you friends. Have a great day. Shall meet you with pattern 9 in the next video.